Ever found yourself navigating your Neon device only to realize the language setting is a complete mystery? Perhaps you've just inherited a device set to a language you don't understand, or maybe you accidentally switched it during a late-night tinkering session. Whatever the reason, deciphering menus in an unfamiliar tongue can be incredibly frustrating, turning simple tasks into a linguistic puzzle. You're not alone. This is a surprisingly common hurdle, and today, we're going to tackle it head-on. Neon devices, whether it's a smartphone, a smart TV, or another gadget in their ecosystem, are designed for global use. This means they come equipped with a wide array of language options to cater to users from every corner of the world. However, finding that specific setting can sometimes feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, especially when the haystack itself is speaking a language you don't comprehend. The good news? It's usually a straightforward process once you know where to look. We'll walk you through it step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, your Neon device will be speaking your language fluently. No more guesswork, no more accidental taps into the void of unfamiliar characters. Now, before we dive into the specific steps, it's worth noting that while the core process is similar across most Neon devices, there might be slight variations depending on the model and the software version it's running. Think of it like different car models from the same manufacturer. The steering wheel and pedals are in the same place, but the dashboard might have a slightly different layout. We'll cover the most common pathways, and with a little bit of patience, you'll be able to adapt these instructions to your specific device. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is locate the settings icon. On many Neon devices, this is often represented by a gear or a cogwheel symbol. It's usually one of the most fundamental icons on your home screen or within your app drawer. If you're struggling to find it, try to remember its position relative to other, more recognizable icons. Once you've spotted the gear, tap on it. This will open up a new menu. Now, this is where the language barrier can become a bit more pronounced. You're looking for an option that typically relates to system settings, general management, or sometimes even a direct language option. Look for icons that might represent a globe, an A with a different script next to it, or a speech bubble. In many cases, the language setting is nestled under a broader system or general management category. If you see something like General, About Phone, or System, try tapping on those. Once inside the general settings, you're looking for Language and Input or simply Language. This is the golden ticket. Tap on it, and you should be presented with a list of available languages. Scroll through the list until you find your preferred language. Tap on it, and you will usually be prompted to confirm your selection. Confirm, and just like that, your Neon device should instantly switch to your chosen language. If, for some reason, your desired language isn't immediately available in the initial list, there might be an option to add language or download languages. This would typically involve a quick download, and then you can proceed with the selection process as described. And there you have it. Your Neon device is now communicating in a language you understand, making it infinitely easier to navigate and utilize its full potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.